Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn about pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun. Main pronoun वो word है जिसे हम noun की जगह इस्तेमाल करते हैं. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Examples: he, she, it, they, I, we, you. So the question is, why do we use pronouns? The basic purpose of pronouns is to avoid repetition and make sentences easier to understand. Means कि बार बार noun का यूज़ करने की बजाय हम pronoun का यूज़ करते हैं to make it easier and avoid repetition. We use pronouns to make sentences clearer, less awkward and smoother. Means कि with the use of pronouns हम sentences को clear way में आसानी से हम समझ सकते हैं. Examples: look at Ali. Ali is a good boy. Ali loves to study. Ali is from Pakistan. Now, in all these sentences, we are using again and again Ali, which is very awkward. To avoid the repetition of noun, we will use he. So instead of Ali, we will use he. He is a good boy. He loves to study. He is from Pakistan. Now here are some more examples. She is going to market. It is a rainy day. We all are worried. I am a girl. So in these sentences, she, it, we, I are pronouns. So this is all for today. Goodbye and thank you.